I'll show how to run this project. See, there are two files here. This is for reading RFID number and this is for main project. In this there are different files. It's a training image which you are trained through using a register code, and this is a training label, cascade algorithm. This is a main code. Okay, now we'll run a main code. We already trained the images here. So many images are there. So it's a trained images for 2 person. Now I'll run this main code. So the code is opened. Now run this code. So this will come. Warning, ignore it. So it's saying hold the tag near to the reader. So now this is the reader module, RFID reader. So these are the tags. So now I'll tag onto the reader. Okay. So now it is saying present. Now you have to check through camera. Now it is the right person, so you can do transaction for this. Say deposit, put some amount, deposit it. So it will say updated balance, and go back. Amount is deposited 1899. Before 1000 rupees was default. Before was amount 1000 rupees default. Now it is 899 added, it becomes 1899. So now go back, say withdrawal, enter the amount 900, sorry, somewhere 800. So say withdrawal. So updated balance also will be shown here. So the updated balance is withdrawal successful. Updated balance is 1089. So this way it will update. So if you want to quit this, just close the shell, automatically all will close.